Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Imagine this, you're out there in the wild, the sun goes to sleep, and you need a light. Not just bright, but smart, efficient, and versatile. Well, say hello to the new Nitecore HA23 UHE. This little guy is going to be your new best friend for nighttime adventures. And before we start, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on notification bell. This way you get our videos as soon as we upload them. First off, this little thing has the new multicolor temperature ultra high efficiency LEDs from Nitecore, which means you get multiple color output with ultra high efficiency to get the most out of your light. Whether you're running it off 3 AAA batteries or the compatible HLB 1500 battery pack, but we'll get to that. The HA23 isn't your average headlamp. Oh no, it's rocking 3 different color temperature: neutral, warm, and cool light. You may wonder why you need 3 different color temperature. Well, you get warm light, 3000 Kelvin. It's great for cutting through fog, rain, and even snow. And it's easier on the eyes. Neutral light, 4500 Kelvin. It's balanced all around light. It's very similar to natural daylight, which make it great for all kind of activities. Cool light, 6500 Kelvin. It's perfect for maximum brightness and range, and get sharper details. Whatever the vibe, this headlamp got you covered. And let's talk about the brightness level. This thing can go from ultra low at just 6 lumens for walking around the camp, not disturbing your surrounding, to amazing 600 lumens. And with max 144 yards, you can see everything in front of you and beyond. Talk about power in small package. And speaking of power, let's break it down. You have the high mode at 600 lumen and 144 yard throw with 1 hour and 30 minutes runtime. Medium mode is 200 lumen and 102 yard throw with 2 hours and 30 minutes runtime. The low mode is 100 lumen and 59 yard throw with 8 hours runtime. The ultra low is 6 lumens, 15 yard throw, and 97 hours of runtime. That's like 4 days of consistent light. But wait, there's more. Red light mode for night vision protection. You get a high mode at 15 lumens for 13 hours, or low mode 5 lumens for 31 hours. We also get slow flashing mode for signaling. And if you need help, the beacon mode 600 lumen and the SOS mode also 600 lumens got your back. Here's what comes in the box. You'll get the HA23 UHE, multi-purpose clip, diffusion sack, and the manual. Now let's talk battery. This headlamp uses 3 AAA batteries that comes included in the box, which make it very convenient. You can quickly swap out the batteries to continue without stopping, like during trail running competition that can span for multiple days. The ease of swapping out commonly found batteries are a plus. AAA batteries is available everywhere: convenience store, gas station, almost any store that sells anything. If you want more runtime, grab the Nitecore HLB 1500 battery pack. Same brightness level, but extend the runtime on high by double, and on ultra low it gets 125 hours. That's over 5 days of non-stop light. The HLB 1500 battery is not included. Let's talk about the design. When it comes to trail running, headlamp weight is ultra important. This headlamp is super light that weighs less than 2 ounces without the battery, a little over 3 ounces when using 3 AAA batteries, and less than 3 ounces with the HLB 1500 battery. Allows you to wear it for a long period of time without straining your neck. And for the button, you get power button and mode button. Super easy to use with different shape and texture, so you can feel them even with the gloves on. So no more fumbling in the dark trying to figure out how to change the brightness level, color temperature, or even switching the mode. The headband made with a breathable material to keep you cool for extended wear, and it's also reflective to keep you visible at night. This headlamp keeps on giving because it comes with a diffuse sack that turns it into a lantern. Great soft light for reading or camping. But that's not it. It comes with a multi-purpose clip so you can clip it to your hat or your backpack. And for the fashion enthusiast, we did not forget about you, because the HA23 UHE comes in 3 beautiful colors: black rock, myrtle green, and fog blue. And we did not forget about durability, because this little headlamp is IP68 waterproof, so rain and puddle, no problem. And it can withstand a drop from 1 meter. It's basically adventure proof. And now for the operation guide. To turn on the headlamp, long press the power button and it will start on the low. To cycle through the other power level, simply press the power button to get to mid, high, and low again. And let's not forget about the ultra low mode. When the flashlight is off, double press the power button, you will get to the ultra low. And if you want to change the color temperature, press the mode button to cycle through neutral light, warm, cool light, and neutral again. If you need to use the red light, when the headlamp is off, press and hold the mode button to turn on the red light. It starts on low, If you want to change the power output, press the power button. Got low and high. And if you want to get to the SOS, double press the mode button. And to change the beacon, press the power button. And if you want red flashing, press the power button again. And if you want to know how much juice left in the batteries, when the flashlight is off, simply press the mode button, and that works with the AAA batteries or the rechargeable HLB 1500. And if you need to lock it, just simply press the power button and the mode button for 2 seconds. And now it's locked. And to unlock it, press the power button and mode button for 2 seconds again. Okay, here's my take. Why you should get the Nitecore HA23 UHE? It's easy, because you deserve a light that works as hard as you are. A headlamp that got the newest LED technology from Nitecore, the multicolor temperature MCT, which is perfect for any weather and any outdoor activities. And it's also ultra high efficiency UHE, which means you get more power and more runtime out of your regular AAA batteries. Whether you're hiking, camping, or just trying to fix your car at night, this little headlamp got your back. It's light as a feather, tough, and bright as 1,000 fireflies on energy drinks. Stop squinting in the dark and upgrade your night game. This little headlamp check all the boxes. Your future self would thank you. Until next time, keep exploring and stay lit.